And welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace cabin or pollen filter on a Suzuki SX4. It's the same in principle for most modern cars in that the pollen filter is hidden behind the glove box. I've already got and ordered my pollen filter, so we just got to get this one out. So to access this you need to basically pull on the glove box and just undo these bits at the side here so it can swing down. So behind here, this is the pollen filter housing. This is the blower motor underneath, and it's held in place by this cover. But there we go. So, as you can see, this one's in a sorrow state and done its job. It's prevented leaves from entering the cabin. So we're going to compare that with the new one. This is the new one. Looks the same. So we're going to basically just have a quick clean around, get rid of these leaves, and then we're going to install that. So I've got the new one out of the packet. As you can see, it's got a directional flow. Air comes in from outside and then goes into the cabin. So it's going to go in this way. So that's it installed. Just got to refit the cover back in place and then place back up the glove box. Just a little note on this particular one is that this door is not the same up as it is down. So if you don't get this door the right way up, it won't latch into place. But we just needed to align this clip for that fixing there. Oh, that should be it now. Glove box just basically twists back into place. Like so. So that is all sorted now. Thanks a lot for watching. If you could like and subscribe, it will help me to make more videos.